years old at may dalawang anak, our contestant number 1.
Ay! What? Hi everyone! I am Silver in the Banyan, 26 years old, the Michael Jackson of Novaliches, Quezon City.
Idol, oh!
Uy, ang galing!
Idol!
Ha, Mako?
Grabe, nabuhay si Idol, oh.
Ha, Mako?
Bakit
Galing
ayaw mo
ng mukha.
lumapit? Lapit ka!
Mako, your fans
Hoy!
miss...
Ang lamig mo.
Sira. Mako, your fans really miss
Sabi
you.
mo!
Yeah, I love my fans.
You know nga.
Ang weird nung naramdaman ko, promise. Kasi sabi niya pala sa akin, Michael Jackson inspired si Sweet ngayon, ha? Tapos pagtingin ko, ang lamig ng ambience.
Si Vice is one of your
Huwag mo kayo
fans.
pakilala sa kanya, mamaya sunduin ako yan!
What do you want to tell your fans? Face to face.
He's the
Ayan.
Boy George of the Philippines.
Face to face.
Hi, nice to meet you, Vice Ginger.
Magkamay kayo!
Hindi ko boses, kaya kayo
Don't be shy.
Magkamay kayo!
I'm alive.
I'm not shy. I'm scared.
What
But I'm a
about...
big fan. I'm a big fan. You know, we grew up listening to your songs. We grew up watching your videos, and you influence us a lot, and your music lives on. And we just love you so much.
I love you, Vice. I love you very much.
I love you too.
Visit him later, ha?
No, I'm okay. I'm busy. If you're bored, you can have my friend to
No, not me.
to entertain you. So how are you?
Actually, I'm alive and kicking. First of all, I would like to say I love the Filipino fans. I love you, Manila!
Yeah, we love you so much. So, how does it feel? Do you feel? Do you still feel?
Sige, pakita mo na kami ng todong angulo mong Michael Jackson. Good luck sa'yo.
Showtime is all over the world. Here's Silver Inabangan from Novaliches, Quezon City, a.k.a. the King of Pop, Michael Jackson.
Ay, eto na yata.
She was more like a beauty queen from overseas.
Ay, eto na. Eto na. Kumakanta eh.
On the floor, get around. She said, I am
Ay, ito na.
get around.
Oh!
Now people always told me, be careful what you do. I thought I was thinking this smile.
Ayun lang. Jumanet Jackson.
Be careful what you do. Be careful what you do. 'Cause your life can be miserable. Getting tears that my love. She's just a girl that I don't know what. But the tears that my son.
Galing!
Eto na.
Galing mo!
Ang galing-galing!
Thank you very much.
Oy, sa totoo lang, ha? Sa totoo lang, malamig talaga yung kamay niyo.
Oo.
Malamig yung kamay.
Nung kumanta ng simula, Michael,
Jackson,
talaga, Michael Jackson. Bandang gitna pag Mike Enriquez na ng konti. Oo, pero bongga. At saka mahal niya talaga ang Pilipinas.
Oo.
Tingnan mo naman tangga niya, Pinoy.
Dilaw eh. Hindi, ginaya niya yung costume eh.
Alam mo naman tangga. Ito na.
Ay, sakto.
Is it okay if we ask you to
Ayan
remove your...
o, ayan o, meron
Ay,
eh.
gold yun, gold eh.
Eh,
Gold.
nangupas na eh.
Oo, ay.
Ito yellow eh. Yan
Nangupas na kasi natabunan ng lupa naman. Is it okay if we ask you to remove your shades? Are you comfy with that?
No problem.
Ano?
No problem.
No comment? Nagulat ako sa'yo eh.
Nakakaloka!
Oh.
Wow! Tara,
Oy, tinalo nose line mo.
tara ng ilong Vicky Bell. Nagpa-Vicky Bell si Michael Jackson.
Matangos talaga.
Galing.
Bigyan
Hoy, idol mo si Michael Jackson.
Oo naman.
Sa bagay, idol naman siya ng
Idol siya ng
mundo.
lahat.
Mundo talaga.
Oh my God. I cannot. This is so surreal.
Surreal?
Surreal. Oh,